Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your iPhone if you're having trouble signing in and it's required to use your iCloud. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official settings on our iPhone if you're not already. So if you do not already have them opened up, just go to the home page of your iPhone right here, find the settings icon and tap on it. After tapping on it, it's going to open up this home page right here of your settings from where we can get started browsing all the settings we can use to access our iPhone. So basically to fix this option that is often an error, that's this persistent error that says sign in is required to use iCloud. This is a common message that you can get when trying to use iCloud. You should address common issues such as connectivity. So what you want to do for the initial checks is to verify your Apple system status. So go to the Apple system status option on your internet device, whatever you can use, PC, wherever, and enter in the info from your iPhone to ensure there are no ongoing outages with iCloud services and it's available to do so. Then you can check your internet connection. Here you have your Wi-Fi and mobile service from where you can get started with ensuring a strong and stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection that you need to use for iCloud, and then you can restart your iPhone. So basically go ahead and turn your iPhone off and turn it on again. After that, try signing in again and using iCloud. Usually this should fix any problems that you have. From there, you're going to go and be able to access iCloud right here on the home page of your iPhone settings. If it still isn't working, get in touch with contact support of Apple, get in touch with them, explain what the problem is, and they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.